Tired of complicated remittance processes? Today, we're simplifying things by showing you how to send money directly to a Gcash account in the Philippines using Worldremit. First, open the Worldremit app or visit the Worldremit website and sign into your account if you don't have one. It's quick and easy to create one. Next, select the Philippines as the country you're sending to, then choose Gcash as your delivery method. Now, you'll need to enter your recipient's details carefully. This includes their full name as registered with Gcash, their Gcash mobile number, and their address. Double-check everything to avoid any delays. Enter the amount you want to send. Worldremit will show you the exchange rate and any applicable fees upfront, so you know exactly what you're paying. Choose your payment method. Worldremit offers various options, including debit card, credit card, and bank transfer. Select the one that works best for you. Review all the details on the confirmation screen. Make sure everything is correct before proceeding. Confirm your transaction, and that's it. Worldremit will send you and your recipient confirmation messages. Transfers to Gcash are usually very quick, often arriving within minutes. Now your loved ones can conveniently access the funds directly in their Gcash wallet. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.